The first tropical storm to hit Southern California in more than 80 years. At the same time, an earthquake.
Yeah, I've lived in Ojai since 1993, and this is the worst earthquake I've felt since in all that time, yeah.
The two events rocking residents used to sunny skies and beautiful beach days. So let's dig into it. The rain really hammered parts of Southern California as Tropical Storm Hilary moved through. Wind and rain were the big issues in what was a historic storm. Schools were closed today as California was dealing with its first tropical storm in 80 years. The city of Los Angeles escaped most major damage or flooding. Some downed trees like this one that fell on some cars were really the only storm issues reported. So far, nothing more widespread or destructive. Still, Southern California residents say the storm was something to see as they get ready for more normal conditions tomorrow.
A bit unprecedented. We've had storms before, but never anything quite this windy and rainy at the same time.
The city family will continue working around the clock to respond, and we will need your help. City workers are working virtually today, obviously except for first responders, but tomorrow there should be no reason for everyone to be back to work in person.
If dealing with a tropical storm wasn't enough, Southern California was then rattled by a 5.1 earthquake Sunday afternoon. Now, I want you to show, see it? The bottles, they start moving. This is at a restaurant. The shelves start rattling. The lights start shaking. No major damage reported, but you can guess. A lot of bottles at a nearby store were broken.
The bottles were just crashing down from each side. Thankfully, I was in the middle of the store, so I was far away from any sort of flying glass, and I'm perfectly fine.
Now, many people wondered if the earthquake was because of the tropical storm. Experts say the two events not connected, but hopefully will remind people that they need to talk about natural disasters and how to prepare for them.
There's really no way that what's going on in the storm would be affecting the rate of earthquakes. It's, of course, we notice the patterns when they occur together. The most important thing you can do is be talking with your neighbors about how you can help each other in a disaster. And this would be a great time and a great opportunity. You've got both a tropical storm and an earthquake to talk about. Great way to get the conversation started.